Hello, today I'm going to be doing an oil service on my Triumph 675R. It's a street triple. I got it a couple of days ago, so I wanted to do a oil service which contains changing of oil filter, and then the oil filter, the sump plug washer down at the bottom here, which we'll put new. Yeah, let's get started. Just going to lay some newspaper down in case I'm messing the oil, which I shouldn't, because today I'm going to use my trusty Sumpy. For anyone who's unaware, it is made by Adis. It allows you to drain the oil nicely into the container. There's a breather hole, and then when you're ready to drain it, you open the tap here, pour it into an empty bottle, empty container. Okay, let's start. First I'm going to do is open up the oil breather this side for the oil check. Then let's remove the sump plug. Make sure the Sumpy's drain is open. And that's why I put the newspaper down.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes.
I can't leave that for a bit to drain.
In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun.
Okay, I've let it to drain for a bit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the oil filter off, which will get us more airflow, allow it to drain more. And then I'm going to pre-fill the oil filter, put the sump plug back in, replace the sump plug washer, then I'll fit the oil filter, and then I'll top up the oil.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him
These are
say.
the oils I'm going to be using. It's ALF 5W40, and then I've got a genuine Triumph oil filter plus the sump plug washer, and then according to the service manual, the oil filter gets tightened to 10 Newton meters torque, and then the drain plug will be 25.
Okay, I'm just going to wipe up a bit here. There's the sump plug. What I do is every second service or third service, I normally change the sump plug washer. So there's a new Triumph sump plug washer. And then we're going to close this up now. Torque the sump plug to 25 Newton meters. Okay, let's torque to the right setting. Then we're going to pre-fill the oil filter and install that, and torque that to 10 Newton meters. This can get a bit messy as well, so I'm just going to do it here over the newspaper. And then the other thing you want to do is oil up your O-ring, your seal. Okay. Okay, the manual said 10 Newton meters for that. Perfect. The service manual states oil filter change is 3.1 liters of oil. So let's put some oil. And that's the 0.1. I'm going to give it a minute or two to settle, and then I'll check with the dipstick. Okay, I'm going to check with the dipstick. We're just above the below mark, so I'm going to add a bit more. It's another 100 mils. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's close this up and we'll continue from there. When I filled the oil and I checked with the dipstick, I went slightly lower than full because we are on paddock stand, so the motorbike's not sitting at its level position. So when I take it off paddock stand now, I will check oil again, confirm that the level is right, and then I will, if need be, add more. But yeah, that's the bike oil changed. The reason I did the oil change now is I just bought the bike 2 or 3 days ago, so I wanted to ensure that the oil is the right viscosity, a really good brand, and that's why I chose Alf, and new oil filter just to be certain. So I'll be doing fluids soon, and that consists of the coolant. I'll also be doing brake fluid. I want to flush the system, flush the brake fluids, and put in all new. You will see that coming soon. I'm going to give it a start, get some oil going.